Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ignite the Flame. In this video, I will speak about leisure and will also share my recent travel experience with you. We all are running in the never-ending race of life, but what's also important is to take breaks whenever we can and do things what we love the most. May that be traveling alone, traveling with friends, traveling with family, relaxing at the beach or climbing the mountain. Anything but the routine. So before going ahead, do subscribe to my channel Ignite the Flame, and like me, if you also enjoy picking up toiletries from the hotel, then you should definitely watch this video till the end. So let's begin. Birthdays are always special, and this year it was all the more, as I was able to take a break and go on a leisure trip with my bae to Taj Lake Palace Udaipur, one of the best Taj property right in the middle of the lake. Our journey started on 2nd March with a lot of speculations and travel restrictions. We were glad that we did the RT-PCR test just before our trip, as the negative RT-PCR report was asked at Udaipur airport and also at Mumbai airport on our return. Surprisingly, everything went smooth and we safely landed in Udaipur, the city of lakes. Airport transfers were arranged by the hotel and we were excited to see our plan coming into reality. The entry to the hotel is through City Palace Complex, the residence of current Maharana of Udaipur. Hotel's jetty is an experience in itself, where you are welcomed warmly by the staff with local music. As you start your boat ride, there it is, a glimmering piece of art right in the middle of serene Lake Pechola, the world-famous Lake Palace Hotel. This marvelous wonder was built in 1746, standing on an island on a man-made lake owned by Maharana Jagat Singh II to host his parties. The welcome does not stop there. As you enter the hotel, a guard welcomes you and takes you inside the hotel under a royal umbrella. And right at the reception, you are showered with rose petals. We were so overwhelmed with the welcome that we missed taking the videos of the rose petals. The check-in was quick and we were offered a small tour of the hotel. Taj Lake Palace has 83 intricately decorated suites and rooms. It truly is one of the most magical and spectacular hotels I have ever stayed in. On the first day, we were offered a palace room with a stunning view of the lake. The room was spacious with sitting room, window seats area, and crafted closet. The property not only offers the beautiful view, but it also takes care of your entertainment quotient. We had our lunch and after relaxing for a bit, we went to see the local singing and dancing performance, which is organized every evening from 6 to 6:45 p.m. The performers also invited the guests to dance on the local music, which was quite engaging. We ended our first day with delicious dinner and some desserts. Next day, 3rd March, started with a gift and complimentary cake offered by Taj. I was delighted to know that I share my birthday with Sir J.N. Tata when I saw chocolates and a rose in the living room with the message celebrating the birthday anniversary of our founder. As I was getting enough of these, a sweet surprise was added by the hotel, and that was an upgrade to the most exquisite suite I have ever stayed in, Jal Tarang. The suite deserves a stand-alone video for itself. Do watch out my next video to take a sneak peek of this suite. After having breakfast, I went to the pool, which is voted the most beautiful pool in the world several times over, and I could see exactly why. The turquoise pool area, cornered by hot tubs, adjacent to the gym and Jiva Spa, which altogether offers the perfect wellness area. I thought this would be a temperature controlled pool, but the water is very cold here. I'm so happy today I could get into the pool after almost 1 year. After the amazing pool experience, I am now going to the heated jacuzzi. After having the yummy lunch, we relaxed for a bit and went for Jiva Spa, which was the highlight of our trip. Jiva Spa offers exclusive 90-minute spa therapy of your choice on a vintage spa boat. The spa managers were well informed and trained to take care of all the needs that a guest would look for. The spa boat is parked in the middle of the lake, carefully anchored, so to get the view of sunset after the spa session, while you are dipping in the hot tub on the deck, carefully curated with rose petals and essential oil to totally immerse yourself in the experience. After viewing the mesmerizing sunset, we had soulful spirits, delicious dinner, and ended our day. We chose to spend the first half of our 3rd day in the luxury suite, doing some shooting in the balcony, bathing in the spacious bathtub, and reading in the mini room. After lunch, we stepped out to explore the 2 terraces at Taj Lake Palace and clicked a few snaps at Mewar and Sajjan Terrace. In the evening at 5 p.m., we took a boat ride with other guests to Jag Mandir. It was a wonderful experience. We saw Monsoon Palace, Sajjangarh, Karni Mata Temple, City Palace Complex from distance, Taj Fateh Prakash Palace, helipad, few ducks and a lot of pigeons. We came back to hotel, had delicious dinner and called it a day. Before I move on to the last day, I would like to share one of the most important reasons for you to visit Taj Lake Palace, and that's their staff. There is no doubt that the Lake Palace is extraordinary and one of its kind, but my stay was made special and memorable by the staff of Taj Lake Palace. Such an amazing hospitality. The staff here is courteous, professional, and went out of their way to make my day. Right from taking care of small details to going to the extremes of making me feel special on my birthday by giving the room upgrade was top notch. Coming to one of the areas which everyone would look for, food. There are 3 restaurants in the Lake Palace: Jarokha, Nilkamal and Bhairav. We had all our meals in Jarokha as it has a lake view. Personal attention was given to every occupied table. It was difficult to select a dish from a wide variety of cuisine, and that's where the staff expertise helped in satisfying our taste buds. Every dish that came to our table was 10 on 10 in terms of both presentation and taste. We had all of these in our 3-night, 4-day stay, but let me tell you, few must try delicacies if you visit Taj Lake Palace. Coming to the last day, we had our breakfast, strolled in the hotel to capture its beauty, said bye to the countless pigeons, and with the feeling of contentment and beautiful memories, we checked out from Taj Lake Palace. Now, it's the time to share the message from Taj for all its guests. This brought a smile on my face, and I hope it will bring a smile on your face too. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, do share it with your friends. Don't forget to take breaks and visit the place of your choice to refresh and to rejuvenate. I would love to know about your memorable trips, destination and its uniqueness. So do share your experience in the comments below. I will see you soon. Till then, stay happy and stay ignited.